What if we hadn't invested in water recycling technology? The consequences could be dire. This scenario is not out of the question. Pure water is in critically short supply in much of the world, and water reuse and recycling, the only way to guarantee a continued water supply, is not widely practiced. Water scarcity has long been of concern to the environmental and scientific community. Dr. Albert Fritsch, founder of the National Center for Science in the Public Interest and an environmental activist, puts it this way: "We may think we know what water shortages mean, but just try not using or drinking water or any water-based product for the next 24 hours. So it's time to invest strongly in our water conservation future. And when it comes to water conservation, the future can best be summarized in just one word: EthorCEL, a water recycling and recovery product developed by Exergy Technology Corporation. EthorCEL combines a proven technology with leading-edge design to make possible highly reliable and cost-effective point-of-use water purification and recycling. And it offers an attractive return on investment. Why point of use? Water today is normally managed using lots of pipes, pumps, and other infrastructure which consume a lot of energy. Water is first treated to meet user requirements, then the generated wastewater is treated again after use to meet regulatory requirements. Point of use, POU, makes it possible to avoid these costs. Users of POU systems can keep high-quality water right where it is needed and allow its continuous reuse in a POU system. Impurities are removed while about 90% of the water remains in the reuse cycle. But why should you invest in this? Because EthorCEL can make a real difference. As a first step, introduction of EthorCEL gives to high-tech manufacturing customers a highly reliable and cost-effective water recovery and reuse system. The technology removes impurities, allowing 90% of the water to be reused. It saves 70% of the cost of making and managing high-purity water. How does EthorCEL work? EthorCEL uses a patented technology based on the science of electrochemistry to purify water. While the technology has been around for 20 years, it has not been widely used or adapted, nor has it ever been introduced for use in recycling. Exergy's innovation allows users to use this sleek, novel, and compact energy-efficient technology to continually produce high-purity water through recycling. Why do we say EthorCEL is the future? Because EthorCEL technology will stretch water supplies like no other technology can do. It is the first technology to bring to water use a highly cost-effective full technology solution, squarely based on the idea that the manufacturers and processors who survive and thrive in the coming years will be those who use natural resources, especially water, wisely and sustainably. EthorCEL is as much a recycling and reclamation technology as it is a water purification technology, allowing the manufacturer to continue to reutilize precious water resources instead of wasting them after one use. EthorCEL can be customized to meet size requirements of most manufacturing and processes. Our water future could be bleak, or it could be bright. We get to choose.